neither shalt thou bring an abomination into thine house.
God says don't bring it into your house. Many of you have the image of white Jesus or the cross in your house right now. God says you must burn it with fire. Get rid of it. That's why we suffer as a people, because we continue to break God's laws. God says get rid of it. Read.
Lest thou be a cursed thing like it.
You hear that? You are a cursed thing like the idolatrous cross that you brought into your house. You are a cursed thing like the picture of white Jesus that you brought into your house. God says to burn it. So Junior, let's see if you truly love God. If you truly love God, you will take that off your neck and get rid of it. Don't put it in your pocket. Give it to me and I'm going to destroy it. Yes. Yes. All praises to the Most High. Let's get it. Let's get rid of it. Let's get, you know what? God damn it. Just crush it. There we go. There we go. Who else got this?